Good ignition coil versus bad ignition coil causing misfire on cylinder 3. Code P0303.
Just do it. You got to figure out when your body's fighting you, when your mind's fighting you. How do you still, just say, fuck it, I'm gonna beat my mind today.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick.
Or do you just give in to your mind and say, oh, I'm tired today, I'm lazy, I don't want to do it, it's too hard, no one else is doing it, it's a weekend, it's too late, these are already off hours, oh, exactly what I want isn't happening right now. Like, okay, great. You know who that's great for? Your competition.
I'll never give up. Never.
You reach a point where